Miss Universe India thlanna neih meka Mizoram ayo tel Miss Universe Mizoram larin chani azuk che tha hle tunchuma hian Miss Universe India thlanna neih mek chanchin le engchen nge an kal to ti te Miss Universe Mizoram larin chani zai tak maya azuk chen dan mu'nam tak mai te kan thlir ho do na ni Sumi ma chuan H&H Variety Store Bazar Bungkon Vaivakon panthak na kong ton tira khan smartphone chi sang le tura oma Samsung S24, 25, 25 Ultra le 26 Ultra te mantlom zo ka lei thei ani baga accessories lama Apple, Samsung le company dang warranty om thlap le tura om bawk tablet accessories brand sang mantlom zo ka lei tura om tel boka ngai vendu tan phone number 9856836295 a hian biak mai turani July ni som pariat khan Miss Universe Mizoram larin chani hian Miss Universe India thlanna neih na hmun tur Jaipur panin MUM organizing ten Lengpui airport thleng an thla a Jaipur airport lama po Jaipur Mizo om ten lo muakin hotel thleng an thla a chumi nuwa dinner te ei puhin Mrs India grand finale neih na hmuna te an thla le chuta Miss Teen India preliminary round neih na hmuna va thla le in chuta tang chuan a contestant puite zinga hun amang chauta ani heta hian Jaipur Mizo omte an fak chin hle a hetianga Mizo te masona kong pakhata an lo thlop tlat chin han mu hi chuan omhmuna kan lo lom veng thei kumin Miss Universe India thlanna hi khopui pathoma nei tura ruwa manani a sashing ceremony National Costume Show and Preliminary Competition le Grand Finale hi Jaipur a hian ni in Bangalore swimsuit competition nei ni le in Indora grooming rehearsal le sub contestant sang nei ani bokang ti chuan July ni som pakwa a chuan sashing ceremony chu Jaipur a chuan nei ni in hei hi Miss Universe India contestant te in lom na le sas in ba tir na hunani he huna hian contestant somnga pahnih te chu nal tak takin anron in lana Miss Universe Mizoram po aron nal hle pink rong gang moi tak sarem thlapron ha in atak salam chu pangpara chei kha vekani a akela mero mermaid design ani thung rin chani hian he gown hi ain me in apian atilang na hle a contestant dang te zinga po mit alabi khle ani he gown moi tak design tu hi puite chak chhuakani a faka phu hle chumai ba ka accessories lamte nen po ain me ema afu vel vek ani ber mai kumdang anglo takin sashing ceremony hi show anga kalpuyani a ni kumlama Miss Universe India Manika Vishwakarma chuan sash lo ba tir zelin pangpar hlanna in azui zel bawk July ni somni atanga ni somni panga chung chuan shooting sang intro video tur ang chi te headshot advocacy shoot sponsor content shoot ti te na yin gala dinner special tak ei ho na te an nei ba ka sub contest speech round ti ang chi neu nei ani zui le boka ti chuan ni somni paruka chuan chol ha damin Bangalore lamakal turin anin bua saita ani Bangalore an thlen tu ka chuan Wonderla Resort a swimsuit photoshoot le video shoot nei ania atuk le ni somni pakwa July a chulai hmuna thau chuan swimsuit fashion show nei ani le ta heta hian Miss Universe Mizoram po aron chi zai le khop mai
Contestant number 20 Larin Chani
Sani somni pani femina Miss India Punjab po in he round hiron reakin Larin chani work chu aron fakhle a hunrei taknuwa hetiang taksanal le work nal a moti so yin swimsuit round a chuan khelbor soila la akal chu adikin amoi hle ti thu aron soi or hle ani
Let's talk about Lal Rinchani. I really like the body. I think after very long, I'm actually seeing the hips doing the extended movement that it should when you walk, and she's doing that really well. The body has a language of its own, right? When you are learning ramp walk, of course, expressions matter a lot, which for some reason a lot of the girls missed. Maybe because there were cameras that they weren't able to figure out where is what. I don't know what really happened on ground. But in terms of body, it needs to change. Like, you can have a more statuesque body when you're wearing a gown, because being too slingy with your body in that would not look good. But when it comes to swimwear, because more of your like torso is seen, you should be able to create these waves, and she's done that perfectly.
Leko thaya hi Miss Lui ani satya mai lava Pajen coach ni chawin Pajen Coaching Institute lar tak Electra adina rem bawk dante interview matson dan le inchei dan styling thlengin modeling le pageant lu zil tumte azirtir chena ni chuwangin mi tute nemo an faksatle angota ngai chi anilawa lom veng na tlingani larin chani competition ata na enbo sai lai khan a work instructor chu rawa hlondo ani ti hi soitel lokila urawa hi afak omin hebaka hian JSJ Fitness Pro khatla a Miss Parin na satakin a chain boka rin chani kong fek nal takle among bor vong la te aban le chon ria chumbat te hi amohin awak danin azir bok nen swimsuit rauna kher hi chuan point kan muthahle tura ngai phot mai te ang ti chuan atuka chuan Wonderla Resort a chuan hunlim om tak mangin an picnic ani berang chu intilim na mun lian le nuam takani awang hian item shang enjoy tura atam hle a tolpashi ta an tol nge vashevek to lem lo ma ila nikhat chau chu akham omla ovia wangle August ni khata chuan indoor unwind resort ta anom le ta heta hian ni som vel chung chu anom don ani grooming rehearsal le sub contest shangatan hun an mangang chumi nuwa chuan Jaipura an let le anga ruamandan chuan August ni som ni a National Costume Show and Preliminary Competition nei anianga August ni somni pathuma grand finale nei anidonani April ni somni pathuma Miss Universe Mizoram thlan ani tirajang khan rinsani hian Miss Universe India tan inbua saina na satakin anei ngal charchara a communication trainer ki semiral te ni in makeup class makeup by Rod Felanena ni tin akal chin bok tin talent round tatan lam a perform turpo na satakin dance instructor Isaac Larem Ruatan a en pui chin boka in bua sai anga ina angzong zanga chuan thei top an chwa tlang ani ber mai video masalama kan lo ti chwa to angin lalrin chani hi Government Johnson College atanga BA History zir chuak to ania Government Johnson College Miss lo ni to le Mega Miss Notice Top 12 hial lo ni to ani bok sia ha khotsuak ni in tuna hian mission venga an khosameka unaw palizinga anaw pangberle meiche omchun ani bok Miss Universe Mizoram thlan ani lai khan rin chani hian Miss Popular Subtitle Award alodong to a khati lai khan directing top 6 alut ngalti na ani Miss Universe India thlan a po hian kumdanga anti dan ang thawin Miss Popular Subtitle Award hi mi puite thlan tur ani le dona Direct top 20 tlin theina ani angin mizo mi puite kan chan haule swaw apoi mo le hle do nani Miss Universe Mizoram Organizing Director Amos MS Dong Zwala Chuan Miss Popular Subtitle Award thanna tur an post huna thei to pa like share comments le repost te tile theu turin zoram mi puite min nge na kumma salama zo faten lungrual taka kan ti hau ang bok khan kumina po he cultural phenomenon na hian telle evek turin kanin so me ti in po amo sa chuan asoyani Miss Universe sang ni somni paruk thlan na hi kumtop lam November tha a hian Puerto Rico a nei anidona hemiatan India ram ayo tur nula fingle nalber thlan na nei meka Mizoram changa tel larin chani hian engchen nge a thlenang ti chu chuang tak chungin kan lo thlir mekani Miss Universe India History a Mizoram changa tel to te sani somni pali a Mizoram ayo tel masaber raw nai pui khan Miss Popular Title ron honin direct in top 20 atlinga ti chuan ni kum sang ni somni panga a Evelyn Zaching pui po in top 20 azu thleng bok kumina po hian kanram nula mel chale nal tak Mizoram ta na pen chuak lalrin chane hi beise na sang tak nen lo thlir phot maila support nga ina apia nga thei top chwa tlang zel turin Mizo mi puite kanin ngen nga lani